Unforgettable, unforgettable, unforgettable.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a get ready with me look. I will go step by step on how I created this glam look from looking very basic like a bomb to looking very glam and things like that. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So first I start by prepping, moisturizing my skin. This is a lip smacker. This is a Spider-Man lip smacker that I got years ago. Just moisturize my skin using La Roche-Posay double repair moisturizer. I'm gonna link everything down below, do not worry, and I definitely will let you guys know what I'm using. So first we're gonna go with foundation, the base of everything. This is the L'Oreal Trublend moisturizer in C8 Cacao. It's my absolute favorite foundation, and it's what I'm using. I just love this foundation. I don't know how much I can say I love this foundation, but I love it because it is so skin-like and beautiful, and you can't tell that I'm wearing something heavy, and it's so affordable. I love it. And I'm pushing that in my skin using a Wet n Wild flat kabuki brush, and I'm pressing it in to my skin. So next we're gonna use this new Born This Way concealer. It's the multi-use sculpting concealer. I just got this a few months ago, and I am not in love with it. I feel like very biased about this. I thought I was getting so much for the money because the bottle looks so big, but it's like a little tube inside of here. It's like so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the original RMCA makeup powder. It looks white, but it's a translucent powder. I know when I first got it, I was like, this is not gonna work for me, but I used it and I actually loved it, you guys. It's no flashback. I've taken pictures with it. The only downside, it doesn't come with it's not in a bowl, so you have to kind of serve it in something, in another container, and I waste so much of it that way. I have to figure out a way to use it and not waste so much. Before you put your setting powder under your eyes, you want to make sure that it's no creasing going on, because if you set it like that, it will set with the creases, so you don't want that. So I'm gonna go with a Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna go with the container and get just a little bit and press it in my skin. I do not bake because I have very dry skin, and I feel like it's not for me, and it gives you more flashback. I take a lot of flash pictures, so I do not like the look of baking. But you can definitely bake with this powder, full contouring stick, and chestnut. And this is what I've been contouring it for years, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to my cheekbones, make my little heart forehead. And I do have a video on my channel. My actual first video is my foundation routine, and I go in details into what I do, concealing and contouring and my foundation and all that jazz. So if you want to take a look at that. So to set my contour, I'm using the MAC Swish Chocolate Brush. I love it's an actual blush, but I like it to contour because I do what I want. I'm joking. I did my eyebrows off camera because by the time this video is out, I will have a full detailed tutorial on how to snatch your eyebrows, so I didn't want the video to be longer than it's supposed to be. Now it's time for the fun part, the eyes. Like I said, I've been wanting to do a green eyes, I think, for the longest. I'm not sure what inspired green, but I've been craving green eyes for a long time now, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use the Mascara palette by Juviia Please, orange shade in my crease right up here. I keep forgetting how pigmented this palette is. So pigmented. A smaller, finer tip brush, I'm gonna go with a darker brown shade. I need something darker for my crease, so let's see. Okay, so the Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna use the darkest brown shade in there. So if you have this one, you can just use that orange shade here and go darken your crease with the dark shade right here. But yeah. A fluffier brush, and I'm just gonna wipe out and just blend out the edges together. And what do I want to do now? I'm gonna use a dark, this is the Inglot gel liner. I'm gonna use it as a base for my green eyeshadow because I want my green to be popping. As to where you want to put your green eyeshadow. Now for the green I've been craving for. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Eyeshadow 335 Golden Emerald. It's a beautiful green. get my cream. I'm officially in love. So pretty. Can you guys see this? Okay, now I'm gonna clean up that eye. I'm starving, you guys. If you see my energy is going down, it's because I'm so hungry. And I use it again. This is a black Jordana eyeliner. I have a crooked nose, it's so hard to control my nose properly. So I double stacked some Ardell lashes, the wispies, and they very natural. If you know, these lashes are very natural, so I double stacked them. I didn't want nothing too dramatic to overpower the eye. I want to do lips. This is a Jordana lip liner in brown suede. The L'Oreal Paris 800 Glossy Fawn lipstick. So I have like all the pinkish colors. They look so good. And so this Revlon 585 HD Ultra HD Gloss on top of it. This is my Covergirl bronzer. It's a bronzer, so it's not too much. It's just a little tint of glow. Now I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. And just a little glow. Now it's time to take my hair down. I'll be right back. This is how the look came out, guys. Hope you enjoyed sitting down and getting ready with me. Please comment and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my next videos.